Being recognized as the best at anything, it never happens by luck. To become the king of K-pop, it takes hard work, dedication, and attention to detail. On this video, we celebrate and learn from the G-Dragon, the king of K-pop. Here is the king, G-Dragon.
Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready.
Personal style is one of the things I most appreciate from the G-Dragon. When the Big Bang just started, they were criticized for their lack of personal and musical appeal. In response to that, G-Dragon went to work and launched the first solo video called Crooked, under the band's name. The hair, the clothes, the attitude started out the spark that Big Bang needed to become this worldwide phenomenon. Take your time to create a unique style for you. For some inspiration, check the Big Bang channel and talk with your barber or stylist for some professional ideas. If you'd like me to do a different celebrity, leave me a note in the comments area. This video was requested by Joseph Khan, a subscriber to our channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you're a beauty professional, I'm going to leave a link on the description so you can see the full tutorial on this haircut, the G-Dragon mullet. It's been a year since G-Dragon got out of the military service, and it's rumors that he's actually on the studios right now. So we're all waiting for the next album. Can't wait! Thank you, G-Dragon, for all the cool hairstyles and inspiration. It makes a big difference on our industry. This is Angel Del Solar sharing with you the G-Dragon mullet.